Hello, it's Rani Devi, Renee Knight, coming to you from my home in Leamington, Ontario. And today I have a little bit of an update for you with regards to this break-in that I had. There was basically nothing stolen. Somebody just came in and decided to put some ashes from a cigarette on the floor of my apartment to let me know that they were here because they couldn't find whatever it was they thought they'd find here. I don't know what it was they were looking for, and I guess I'll never know. And I doubt highly that they would ever return. But I have my concerns about who it might have been. My suspicion is that it's somebody to do with the apartment building. Could even be a contractor, because there are contractors that are working on the balconies on the other side of the building, and usually contractors are given keys to all the apartments in the buildings when they're doing work in the building. And I don't know whether that's the case now, but that's what I'm speculating. So I've taken some precautions, and so I'm going to use this opportunity to give you some ideas about home safety precautions that can prevent a break-in from happening at your place. So people can try to break in, but if you have taken certain precautions, it's not possible for them to be able to have a successful break-in. So the first thing is to secure your doors and windows. I had not secured my sliding glass door. It's now secured. I have secured my apartment door as well. There are a number of ways that you can do that. You have a normal lock on your door. You can also add a security lock, which is a deadbolt. The higher amount of money you pay for it, the higher the security of that deadbolt. The less likely it is that somebody can pick it and get it in. If you put it higher, it's harder for them to access it. And securing your doors and windows you can do with metal or wood dowels. Wood is the dowel would be wood, and metal bars, that sort of thing. You could use a thicker piece of wood if you want to, but the main thing is to stick something in there so that that door cannot be open, even if they can pick the lock on the outside of the door on your balcony, if you have a balcony, a sliding glass door on your balcony. Second thing is locks and latches. So you've got your normal lock, you've got your deadbolt, and then you can go to a hardware store and get latches. And I don't mean those little things that everybody has in their apartments and in their homes, the little chain lock thing. Those are cutesy, but those are really only for you to open the door and see if somebody's safe for you to open the door fully to. They do not keep anybody out by any way, shape, or form. You can strengthen the hinges of your door by applying additional hinge. I don't know what you call these things. I'm calling it a hinge protector because I don't know what the hell it's called. And it just has numbers and codes and a thing that you put through the machine to the code, the little, it's got numbers and barcodes. Hello, I got it. It's late at night. Anyhow, I should be going to sleep very soon, and I will be after this. So yeah, you can get those little latch things, and you stick them on the side where the hinge is, and you can protect that way. And then you can stick some other ones that are similar, that have that hinge and stuff, but then there's another bar thing that goes through them that can be above and below the door handle. So you put one above and one below. And, oh, yeah. It's important to also have a safe. It's really good to have a safe for your valuable items, such as documents like your passport and any sort of identification, medical, government files, that sort of thing. Put those in there, and anything that you think somebody might try to steal or be looking for. Do not leave money in your, if you're in your home, because people will be looking for money. Do not leave money in your home, like large quantities of money. Do not leave money in your home. Do not leave money in your home, because if anybody knows it's there, somebody's going to come for it at some point in time. Unless you've got, like, money for transit, some loonies and toonies. That's change. You're not Canadian. That's change. Like, a toonie is a $2 coin, and a loonie is a $1 coin. For those who are not from Canada, that's the translation. And what else did I say? Oh, if you have valuables like jewelry that you're not wearing regularly, that should go to the bank and put it in a safety deposit box. Do not keep that at home. If you don't wear it, put it in a safety deposit box, so that when you do want to wear it for a special occasion, that you know it's safe. And I guess that's about all for all my safety tips. If you have safety tips for your home that you'd like to share with me, please put them in the comments below, because I think these things are beneficial for everybody. If we have an experience and we don't share our knowledge, it's a wasted experience. And even a break-in can be an experience that opens you up to more knowledge, opens you up to having conversations with people that you might not otherwise have spoken to. And yeah, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is I have been putting requests out for people to give me ideas about what they'd like me to do some videos on. And the most popular requests in the last few weeks have been joint health, how to deal with stress, and depression. What do we do about depression? So in the coming weeks, I will be handling those 3 topics. And again, if you have any questions or concerns about anything that I have spoken about either today or in a previous video, please let me know. Happy to address any question or concern, or any topic that you might find of interest to have me speak to. Thank you so very much for coming to my channel and viewing my videos, especially if you do so on a regular basis. I very much appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Rani Yoga Devi, signing off. Namaskar.